Moto Guzzi's new V100 isn't a specially put together trash can. Fresh from the ground up, it's beautifully crafted with design cues from Guzzi's glittering history. Slits in the side panels mimic a 1976 Le Mans 850 and the top fairing points to an 81 Le Mans 853. It's evocative stuff, right down to the name Mandello's V100, which pays homage to his home and Guzzi's 100th birthday celebration, but it's by no means a foggy two-wheeled memento. It's definitely modern with a tasteful color dashboard and sleek, sensitive driver aids. Opt for the S model and we'll get extra goodies like the Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension and up-down quickshifter as well. When it comes to elegance and detail, Guzzi puts its sports tour rivals in the shade. But what's the competition? The Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX, Suzuki GSX-S 1000 GT and BMW R1250 RS are obvious rivals, but physically they look like the Low Rider, Yamaha Tracer 9, or the Honda NT 1100. The Moto Guzzi's upright riding position even has an Aprilia Tuono V4 livery, which isn't surprising since both were developed by Piaggio at the Knoll factory near Venice. Technically, the Mandello is a different monster from the previous Guzzi. Not only is it equipped with electronics that wouldn't look out of place on a new superbike and engine, it's also the first production bike to have adaptive aerodynamics, although the effect is minimal. Flappy wings aside, Moto Guzzi have created a tasteful sports tourer that is neither bland nor screaming and offers the perfect blend of comfort, sportiness, technology, and character. It's pricey, but the Mandello V100 is well built with great attention to detail and feels like a machine that came from the heart, not just a model produced to fill a gap in the model lineup. It's like nothing else, which is part of its appeal and never getting the feeling, either by driving or looking at it, that every corner was being cut in the course of its journey from design sketches to the showroom floor. While the Mandello may look chunky in pictures with its bold styling, larger-than-life powertrain, and chunky exhaust, it turns out to be surprisingly low. Shorter riders will quickly feel confident about being able to put their feet flat on the floor, and if the standard 815mm seat height is still too high, a low accessory seat is available.